Hi everybody, it's time for our August update, and I didn't think I really had anything to tell you, and then, excuse my voice, and then I ended up with a list, which the camera's not going to focus on, but that's okay, because I'm going to tell you everything that's on this list. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to tell you is something from July, but something that you may not have noticed. On July 27th, I uploaded a private tutorial, which means that you either A, have to buy the tutorial, or B, if you're a silver member at my coffee membership, which is ko-fi/Sweet Pea Papers. I'll have that on the screen, and of course, you guys know it's always below the video. Or if you're a bronze member, you get it for half price. Yeah. Okay. So go ahead and sign up for the memberships, and there's at least 2 proprietary video series a month, which means nobody else can get them except for the Ko-Fi members, coffee members, sorry. I always want to call it Ko-Fi because of the K. And so you want to go ahead and take advantage of that. It's not very much a month. It helps me make more videos, and you get stuff that nobody else gets. There you go. Okay, so the other thing is, this is Keeper of the Forest. It's this beautiful book that I made. Sorry about the light. There we go. Maybe. Here we go. Keeper of the Forest. And it's a full book with charms and all that good stuff. Here's the back of it. It's such a pretty book. Here's the other spine. It's got an owl on it. And it's a single signature cord and eyelet spine. And it's for sale in the Ko-Fi shop as well, the book itself, and the tutorials as well separately. Okay? I've also added, or I'm going to add today or tomorrow, the geometrical folk art folio, the big one. I have to hold way back here. And it's my Scraft Key Edition, the kit, SKRIFTKEYEDITION. It's all one word on Etsy, but I'm sure it's 3 different words in real life. So that's going to be added on. Not the tutorial. The tutorial is free on YouTube. If you don't want to follow along and make it, and you want this one-of-a-kind one that I've made, then you can go to the coffee shop and pick that up. Okay, so that's my self-promotion for right now. Hey, I gotta do it. Somebody's got to do it, and that is me. Okay, so now also in as just a flip through and no tutorial at all either place, not the coffee shop, not YouTube, because a friend of mine that came here all the way from Australia, and I think you guys already saw the picture I posted of she and I, and she came to visit her son from Australia, and asked me if I lived anywhere near Kenmore, Washington, and I said yes, I live in Kenmore, Washington. She said, well, I'm coming to visit my son. Do you want to craft? And I'm like, of course I do. So she came over. She had her son bring her over. And that was when they discovered, not only did we both live in Kenmore, we lived on the same street. I don't know what the odds of that are, but I wouldn't want to bet on it, because it would be astronomical odds and nobody would believe it, so you wouldn't bet on it. Anyway, so she came over a couple days a week for about 3 weeks, and we crafted a few hours a day and chatted and goofed around and stuff like that. And we ended up with the vintage. Why didn't I write it down? I didn't write it down, but I know it's vintage florals or vintage flowers. And it's a Victoria design kit. So the flip through of this beautiful journal that she and I made, she made one just like it. Well, a little teeny bit different. A couple of pages, the papers are different, but that's all. The rest of it is different. And you're going to get a flip through on this. Just a flip through, because obviously we didn't make a tutorial or anything. We just made it off camera, you know, hanging out with each other and making it, but it turned out really nice. The whole kit is pretty. Okay, so you've got that to look forward to. And we also have French Florals, which is going to be a 9-video YouTube series. Let me do it this way. And it's a nice big, fat, tall, not skinny, but just tall, 11 and something inches tall folio. Okay, so that's going to be, did I say 9? It's 9 videos long. It's just going to be on YouTube, you know, regular videos. And I will probably put the folio on sale in the Ko-Fi shop. Okay, so you want to look for that pretty soon. Okay, so that's it for books. For the calendar, you know, we're going to have the Keeper of the Forest, the French Florals, and the Vintage Flowers. That's all going to be either on YouTube or Ko-Fi. And then the other thing that we're going to have is we're going to have BB Craft again this month. I love doing the BB Craft videos. We're going to have the unboxing video. Then we'll have 2 crafting videos. And this month we're going to be making decorative pens. I know a lot of you use them or want them. And so this is going to be a way for you to see how to make them for yourself if you want to do that. And then another crafting video, which I haven't really figured out what we're going to do. And of course the unboxing video. So we're also going to have another Line Dot Arrow design team project. I don't have the kit yet, so I can't kind of just wave around the papers randomly in front of you real quick, so we don't infringe upon Natalie's flip through. But she, at the beginning of the month, now my design team project isn't going to be up until towards the end of the month, but at the beginning of the month she will have her flip through and her first challenge video, then the next week another challenge video, then the third week another challenge video, and I believe that's the week that my design team project goes up. Because of all this stuff in July and everything, even though I'm going to get the papers the end of July, which is now, I should be getting them within the next few days. I won't be putting my project up because I'm going to have to make it. The challenges are not like something difficult. They're projects that you can follow along with her or make your own projects, you know, out of the kit papers or the freebies. And there's freebies given away by Line Dot Arrow. This is not a collab, so you can't get any freebies, you know, at Sweet Pea Papers or at Junk Journal Tutorials and more, or the other design team members. But you can get them at Line Dot Arrow and the Line Dot Arrow Facebook group on Facebook. The whole title is Line Dot Arrow Facebook group on Facebook. And Line Dot Arrow at Etsy. And Line Dot Arrow on YouTube. Okay? She's like me. She names everything the same all the way across, so it's easy to remember. So you've got the kit on Etsy, the freebies on the Facebook group, and the videos are on YouTube. The videos will come out on Saturdays, and the freebies will come out on Saturdays. And then the kit will be on sale all month. and the and my design team project will be at the end of the month. Okay, and then we're going to have this really fun collaboration that's going to go from August 1st to August 31st, and that's going to be out with a bang. And this is going to be a really fun thing. Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors, and Julie from, oh no, I can't remember. I didn't write it down. I didn't write down the name of her group. I'm so sorry. I'll post it below the video. And I just happen to know Mandy's, right off the top of my head. But the in conjunction with the Junk Journal Ideas and Inspiration Facebook group, the JJII Facebook group, and my day is August 26th, so my day's towards the end of the month, and Out with the Bang summer theme, but my keyword or my prompt is old-fashioned. So I'm going to do something old-fashioned summer. I'm not sure what. And I guess you'll see it on the 26th. You'll have to wait till then. So, but somebody's going to be, one or two people are going to be posting videos every single day. There's a video or two for every single day of the month. Different people. None of them are the same, I don't think. I don't think anybody repeats. So she did a lot of work for this. So she got probably 45 different YouTubers to make videos for you guys, and it's going to be great, and I really, really, really want you to go check it out. I'm going to publish a calendar at the beginning of the month, which is, I think, in 2 days, and put that up so that you guys can keep track, and I'll put it up several times during the month so that you know what's going on when. Okay? So let me look at my list right here. I think I got it all. I think that's it. So not very long this month. I always say that, and then I think of something else at the end, don't I? Nope, I can't think of anything else. Okay, so that's it for this month, and I will see you at the end of August for our September update, and I hope you have a really good month. Please go along and follow the collaborations, the design team projects, and the design team challenges, or not the design team challenges, but the challenges from Line Dot Arrow, and the collaboration with Mandy and Julie for the whole month, called Out with a Bang. Okay? All right, I'll see you next month. Bye-bye.